Welcome to the Animal Eye Guessing Challenge. Hey there, fellow animal enthusiasts. Are you ready to put your wildlife knowledge to the test? Get ready for a whirlwind adventure as we dive deep into the captivating world of animal eyes. In just 10 seconds, can you guess which animal these eyes belong to? It's a race against time and your wits. Challenge yourself. But hey, don't just keep all the fun to yourself. Join our amazing community of animal lovers by hitting that subscribe button below. You won't want to miss out on the excitement. Subscribe now. So what are you waiting for? Let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Hit subscribe and let's get started.
What animal is it? It's a lion. What animal is it? It's a tiger. What animal is it? It's a rhino. What animal is it? It's a zebra. What animal is it? It's a gorilla. What animal is it? It's a chimpanzee. What animal is it? It's an orangutan. What animal is it? It's a kangaroo. What animal is it? It's a koala. What animal is it? It's a panda. What animal is it? It's a wolf. What animal is it? It's a wolf. What animal is it? It's a deer. What animal is it? It's a moose. What animal is it? It's a bison. So how many animals out of 15 did you manage to guess correctly? Share your score in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to not miss out the quiz.